You know how exhausting it can feel trying to eat healthily when life's already full on? You've got work, you've got kids, you've got routines, and the idea of prepping separate healthy meals just feels like another job. But what if eating well didn't have to be complicated, it didn't have to be expensive or stressful? What if we could use one simple shopping list and repeatable meals to keep it effortless every single week? Jump in and we'll discover how we do it. We've all done it. Spent ages scrolling Pinterest for healthy meal ideas, bought loads of random ingredients, then watched half of it go to waste in the fridge. We tell ourselves we'll start again Monday, but really, the system's broken from the start. What actually works is structure, but structure that's flexible enough to fit in with your real life. And that's what I've built through my own keto routine, and it has transformed how I eat. I used to overthink everything, different meals for breakfast, for lunch and dinner, kind of chasing that perfection. Now I keep it ridiculously simple. I eat real food, I repeat meals that I love, I use one weekly shopping list that costs less, saves hours, and it's how I stay in ketosis, keeping my blood sugar stable and still enjoy food without the stress. And it's not about restriction, it's about kind of smart systems, and I'll show you exactly how I do it. So I'd start with the core ingredients that work across all meals, so you're not wasting anything. And here's some of the foundations. Eggs, definitely use them for breakfast. You can use them for bacon, you can use them for snacks. Greek yogurt, good for breakfast, good dessert base, snack base. Ground almonds, coconut flour, affordable low-carb swaps for bread, pancakes, crackers. Cheese, creams, butters, all your healthy fats. Frozen veg, cheaper, no waste, and you know that it's fresh at the point of freezing. Avocado, spinach, courgette, peppers, mushrooms, all low carb, versatile, easy to cook with. And then you've got your chicken, you've got eggs, you've got tuna, tofu, simple proteins that you can rotate. And here's how you can turn those basics into quick, no stress options. For breakfast, you could be having things like scrambled eggs, and spinach, Greek yogurt with nuts, xylitol, keto pancakes from ground almonds, eggs, and cream. For lunches, you could be doing things like cheese omelette with side salad, tuna mayo, lettuce wraps, soup made over from leftover veg and cream. And then for dinners, you could be looking at things like chicken with roasted veg, keto pizza using ground almonds and coconut flour as your base, stir-fried courgettes with tofu, eggs. You don't need fancy recipes, just combinations that repeat easily and taste good. And keep your snacks intentional. We all need easy wins between meals. So go for things like handful of nuts, boiled eggs, cheese cubes, olives, Greek yogurt pot, chia seeds with yogurt, homemade keto crackers, ground almonds, eggs, salt. I've got a playlist I've linked above. I've got really easy, a host of easy recipes linked in there. So have a look at that, and they're all short recipes as well. And with those recipes, nothing's processed, nothing's complicated, all super simple and super quick to make. And the key with your system and your shopping is that you want to make it repeatable. Plan once, shop once, repeat weekly. You know your staples, you'll know your meals, you'll reduce waste, and you'll stop that constant what am I going to eat decision fatigue that derails so many people. So you don't need perfection, you need a system that makes eating healthy automatic and easy. Start with this 1 week list, repeat it for a month. You'll be shocked at how much easier it feels, how much money you save, and how much more steady your energy becomes. And if you want my free 7-day keto reset checklist and sample shopping list, grab it from the link below, completely free, designed to keep things effortless. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for weekly real health reset updates. No gimmicks, no overwhelm, just practical steps that work.